Hello friends, in our last few videos, we discussed in detail about the first stage of meiosis 1, that is karyokinesis 1, which include prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Now in this video, we are going to end meiosis 1 by discussing cytokinesis 1. It is the last stage of meiosis 1 in which actual division of the cytoplasm take place and one cell divide to form two daughter cell with which containing one nucleus and 50% chromosomes. Actually, cytoplasm and kinesis is division. So this stage is mainly dealing with division of the cytoplasm liquid fill part which is present in the eukaryotic cell. Two different mechanisms are present of cytokinesis in animal and plant cell. I have discussed in detail about both these mechanisms in the cytokinesis of mitosis. You can also see that video if you want more clarity about this concept. But now in this video, I'm just going to give a quick overview of cytokinesis 1 of meiosis 1. Actually, cytokinesis in plant cell occur by cell plate formation, and cytokinesis in animal cell occur by cell furrow formation. The process of cytokinesis in animal cell which occur by cell furrow formation also called as cleavage. While in case of plant cell, the cytokinesis occur by cell plate formation. It is nothing but the process in which new cell wall is produced in the cell which divides cell into two equal parts. If we consider plant cell, suppose this is the plant cell which have completed karyokinesis 1, and now the cell have two daughter nucleus. Both the nucleus have chromatin and nucleolus. The cell will going to have double cytoplasm and all other cell organelles. As it is a plant cell, it will also going to have cell wall made up of cellulose. Okay. Now, if this cell want to divide by cell plate formation, initially a structure is produced in the pre-decided position, and that structure will going to have different vesicles which come from the Golgi complex. Okay, and the vesicle which directly come from the Golgi complex contain cell wall component. So Golgi complex delivers cell wall component in the vesicle at the time of formation of this structure. The structure is called phragmoplast. Formation of the phragmoplast is the start of cytokinesis in the plant cell. Now this phragmoplast is nothing but the cell wall like structure, and now this length of the phragmoplast increase in both the direction, and finally due to this phragmoplast, cell divided into two equal parts. Each part have one nucleus, equal amount of cytoplasm and cell organelles. So finally, due to formation of this plate or phragmoplast, one cell divide into two daughter cells, each with cytoplasm and nucleus. So this is the end of meiosis 1 in plant cell. If we consider animal cell, actually animal cell perform cytokinesis by cell furrow formation. So suppose this is animal cell. Okay, the cell have two nucleus with chromatin and nucleolus. Okay, similar with the animal plant cell, this cell will also going to have cytoplasm and different cell organelles. Now, at the start of cytokinesis in animal cell, a contractile ring is produced at the center of this cell, and this contractile ring is made up of two protein, actin protein or actin filament and myosin protein, myosin 2 protein. Both these proteins are initially present in inactive form inside the animal cell, but at the time of cytokinesis, they get activated by action of another protein called Roux. And now, due to this contractile ring, this cell is ready to enter in the cytokinesis. Now, contraction of the contractile ring appear. Suppose this is contractile ring around the cell membrane of the animal cell. This is the animal cell. Now, due to contraction of the contractile ring, force is generated on the cell membrane of the cell that will lead to condition in which cleavage or furrow is produced. Okay, cell will going to pinch from the center. This is contractile ring, and due to contraction of the contractile ring from both the sides, cell is divided into two equal parts. Each carry cytoplasm and one nucleus. Now this nucleus contains chromatin and nucleolus. And finally, due to this cleavage and furrowing, at the end of cytokinesis in animal cell break from this point and one cell divide into two daughter cells. Okay, so in case of plant and animal cell use different mechanism for cytokinesis, but we have to remember that at the end of meiosis one cell divide to produce two daughter cell. This daughter cell have single set of chromosome, that means they are haploid, but they contain double DNA. Same case for animal. In my next video, I am going to discuss in detail about the next type of meiosis, that is meiosis 2. The daughter cell which produced during the meiosis 1 now ready to enter in meiosis 2. Thank you.